So today we are going to continue from where we stopped on a Google interview question, particularly how to build a binary search tree. This is a question most likely you will encounter. So let's continue. We are going to now write the in-order traversal of a binary search tree. Remember, I'm Kindton the Genius, and if you have any questions, you can leave it in the comment box below. If you've not subscribed to my channel, click on the subscribe button below this video to subscribe so that you get updated when I make new lessons, and also you kind of encourage me to continue making this lesson for you. So just subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button, the red button below this video. Alright, so what is in-order traversal? In-order traversal traverses a binary search tree by first searching the left subtree and searching up to all the way to the root and then to the right subtree. So basically, in order goes like this from left to right. Then we have the other one, post order, goes from right to left. Then we also have the pre-order, begins from the root and kind of goes from the root goes to the left and to the right. But the one we are interested in is the in order, because the in-order traversal tends to arrange the element of binary search tree in ascending order. So if you have several elements and you do an in-order printing or traversal, it prints out the element of the search tree in increasing order. So, and this is basically about the simplest method we are going to write. So simply say in order void public void in order. So open and close, and then at the end we are going to just say end of in order. This is very good to do. End of in order. Okay, so what's the message here? Void is invalid type. So we basically should provide this. Good. All right. So as I mentioned before, we're going to start by searching the left subtree. So simply say we are going to do a recursive search in order this dot left. And also it takes a node, node 3. Okay. So in order this is left. So but it's only going to do this in order if the left subtree is not empty. So I'm going to check if this dot left is not equal to null. So if it's not equal to null, then we are going to do this dot left dot in order, and we are going to give it this dot left. Okay, so after that we now go to the node. So I'm going to say system.out.print, because I'm trying to print out all the elements of the tree. So I'm going to say this.data. And finally, I'm going to go to the right subtree, but before I traverse it, I'm going to check if it's null. If this dot right is not equal to null, then I'm going to traverse it by saying this dot right dot in order, and I'm going to give it this dot right. Alright. So this is basically how you do in-order traversal. So at this point, let's just test our tree using the main method. So let's just write the main method, public void main string args. Right. So alright. So Now we are going to create a tree using a set of numbers. So let's just call it, say, let's create an array of integers. So let's say int nums equal to let's just put in random numbers in there. Let's say 4, 6, 0, 45, 34, 90, 3, 12, 20. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Maybe let me just make it more meaningful by just adding 300, whatever it is. So now I'm going to first insert these items into the tree, and then I'm going to do another traversal of this tree. So let's first insert it. So let's say system.out.print insert items, right? So, and the next thing I'm going to do is to create a tree. So I'm going to say nodes let's call it tree is equal to new node, and I'm going to just give it, let's just give it, initialize it with anything. Let's just say 50, right? So the next thing we want to do is to now do another traversal of this tree. But before I do this another traversal of this tree, I'm going to insert items into this tree first. So let's now insert items. I'm just going to say tree.insert. Let me use a for loop to loop through the